was making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Good morning, everyone. It's
the end of July ride.
Yep.
July 31st.
It's a Wednesday. We got to do some shopping, so we're taking Blue 2, and we're heading towards Puxy. Let's see what happens. It's gonna be a beautiful day. It's supposed to be warm. Stay tuned because we might see something cool. Oh, let's try this again. I had the music on. We're on 536. I'm losing my mind.
It's just music.
Yeah, but YouTube is a pain in the butt.
Well, you find the music, you find the song, and just put it in the... And as long as you do that, they don't do anything.
Well, sometimes.
Yeah, well.
But yeah, they're a pain in the butt. You hear music in the background, they get all bent out of shape. So we're heading to Puxy. This is a nice little 17 miles. So stay tuned until our next one. This is a nice part of the road. We'll do a little town on Ringo.
Ringgold, yeah.
Ringo. And the people are very friendly.
Some. Most.
Most of them in Pennsylvania. Drive through the countryside and they all wave at you. Awesome place to live. Look at that. Whee! I don't know if you can see that.
Can't go wrong with the views around here.
That's the view. It's just breathtaking.
I think Amy and Bob should invest in some ear microphones so we can chit-chat with them.
Oh boy. All we'll be here is laughing between you and Amy.
Well, she'll be singing the whole time, so until she sees a horse, of course, and then she'll stop laughing.
Okay, stay tuned for more of this exciting adventure on a curvy road. And the Baja Swayba, I think, works pretty good. Makes a difference. Well, this is coming into Puxy-Tawney. Where's Phil? He's in an air-conditioned library.
Yep. Isn't there a big fill at the end of this? It's supposed to be, yeah, Big Phil. It's the truck runaway ramp thing?
Yep.
Yeah, smack him in the ass.
This is on Route 119 coming into Puxy on the backside. Stay tuned. That's a good view.
That's the road we gotta go up.
Oh yeah, if you can see it. We're on Route 36. Hopefully heading towards Brookville. I don't know.
I think we are.
Me too.
If not, oh well.
We're enjoying the day.
Yeah.
The end of July. We got a couple more good months of riding, and then it'll start getting chilly. And we have our fall ride,
Yep.
the foliage ride. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that.
Fall foliage tour of 2024. Yep.
Okay, stay tuned. Home sweet home. Well, we had a nice ride to Puxatawny. We did a little shopping. Now we're home and I got 89 degrees on the motorcycle. Okie dokie. Going AC now. Thanks for coming along with us. Don't forget, subscribe so you don't miss anything. And ring
Smack
the
that bell.
Ring that. Whack it. Whack it. Okay.